think Chris is going to do an amazing job with the new movie. So, alright. Hi.
For Italy?
For what?
For Italy. Like, anything important to do there?
Oh, you're going to Italy?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I mean, I know very little about Italy, but I'm in Florence too, so I don't know anything about Rome or any of the other cities. But the Duomo Church Cathedral is like pretty amazing. And then there's a Copper David, the Statue of David. Actually, the Statue of David is in Florence, but there's also a Copper David at the top of one of the hills in Florence where you can overlook and see the entire city. By the way, Italy is so beautiful. Everywhere you look is like a picture. It's almost too gorgeous for your eyes.
Is the food like really different?
Is the food really different? It's different and it's good. Like there's no preservatives. Like if you go to a restaurant, they basically have a garden in the back where they're growing the vegetables that they put in your food. The food is the best food that I've ever had.
And one more question. My friend over there. How hard, like, any tips about being an actor?